Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the white chocolate pumpkin spice cake latte by Nespresso. This recipe is posted on Nespresso's webpage, so I thought I'd give it a shot and see how good it is. I recently ordered 3 sleeves of the pumpkin spice cake capsules, and this is a limited edition, and I have never tried it before. I was really excited to try it. I saw there was a lot of good reviews and people were excited that Nespresso had posted this on their website. So since I got these in recently, I thought we should go ahead and make that recipe. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go through the ingredients that you need. The first thing is a white chocolate sauce. I have this one here by Torani. You also need some caramel sauce, some regular milk, and of course, the pumpkin spice cake capsule. So the first thing I want to do is get the milk going in my frother. I have my Arancino here. And the recipe calls for 2 to 3 ounces of milk. I'm going to measure out 2 ounces in my measuring cup here. The first time I ever do a recipe, I like to follow the instructions exactly, so I know that way I at least did it right. I'm going to get that going. Okay, the next thing we need is 2 tablespoons of the white chocolate sauce down in the bottom of your mug. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this. About 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna get a little more. There we go. And so the next part of the recipe is to pour the milk with the foam directly on top of the white chocolate sauce. And it's done. You can see in there. There it is. Get all the foam out. And then the next part is to just brew the pumpkin spice cake directly on top of all that. Okay, looks like I just made it by the hair of my chinny chin chin there. I had to spin the glass a little bit just to keep that foam from overflowing on the one side, but there it is. All the layers. Okay, and so the last step is to add, see it's settling down now. The last step is to add a drizzle of the caramel sauce right on top. Let's see if I can do this here. There it is. Looks yummy. So again, this is the white chocolate pumpkin spice cake latte by Nespresso. And I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this kind of video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.